Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Sunday. We made it. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe, especially out in Cali. Definitely kind of scary stuff out there. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below, where you could get one at a low cost. Take advantage of Amazon's Prime's fast shipping. You get one of these in no time. What do we have here? Oh boy. We got something good. Where's this coming from? We have here NeuTab KI or K1S tablet. Ooh, nice. Kind of like those Microsoft Surfaces. Android OS. 10-inch HD display, 16 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of HD, dual camera, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, G sensor. Oh yes, here she is. Oh, we got some more goodies on the side. Dual cam, 32-bit quad core, auto upgrade, GPS position. Oh, this is nice. Android. Definitely check them out. Link will be down below. You get one of these at a low cost. Be a great little stocking stuffer, Christmas gift for somebody. Especially now these days. Everybody wants tablets and play some Fortnite on it. Oh yeah. Watch some sports. That's what I'll be doing. Streaming WWE Network, New Japan Network, stuff like that. So I'm definitely excited to see what this looks like. There we go, clean up the mess a little. There we go. Here's what she looks like. There we go. Nice and easy. NeuTab. Alright. Go straight out the box. Bada boom. Oh yes. Oh, this is a thing that's lightweight. Really nice. Alright, let's get started. That's only like the screen protector. No big deal. What else do we have in here? Alright, there's the goodies. We got the charging. We got the USB. We got some manuals. I think that's it. Alright, so this should be, hopefully it's charged a good amount. So we're going to have to wait on this. Explore it a little bit, do a brief demo, and then on to the next video. This is really cool. Like I said, especially now you can hook up your cameras to it, your home cams. That's what I'll be doing also. Oh, here we go. Oh, look at that. Nice screen right there. So when do we turn this on? This is a 10-inch. There we go. Android. Loads up pretty fast so far. Sorry about the glare. Too many lights maybe. There I am. There we go. Alright. What else do we got on the sides? We got a few of these. Yeah, this is nice. Nice screen size also. Definitely watch some movies, Netflix and Amazon Prime videos. Oh yeah. Definitely a nice one. I think this was under $100 around. And I think they got it like a coupon you guys could click. Get a couple cents or a couple dollars off. Alright, what do we got here? Nice screen though, really nice. Come on. First time being warmed up. There we go, let's go. English. Okay, KIS1, copy your data from, shoot. I just gotta search my Wi-Fi. Pause you guys for a sec. Okay, once you enter your Wi-Fi password and all that good info, it's gonna be checking for updates. Hopefully this is a good battery life on these. But now I can use the USB charge. About the touch screen, you could swipe, 2-finger, pan and zoom, double tap, touch and hold. Alright, checking for updates. This might take a minute. Web browsing. I should have got a stand for this. Alright, unlocking the screen. We did that. I want to see how long the battery life is. All that good info. Where is it? Download apps. Package contents. Okay. You can use it as a book reader for your Kindle. Video watching, YouTube. It's already oh, here we go. Bring your data. Alright, Google. Alright, I'll be right back. Now we are officially uploaded. Everything's running. We can go into settings. See what this thing can do. Yeah, quick video. So definitely YouTubers, check them out for this NeuTab K1S tablet. So there I am. It's installed. So there's the memory. 3 hours left, 90%. So maybe 100%. Okay, that's cool. So it tells you that. Storage. That's 11 gigs under data. Okay, that's good. Storage. Oh, you could do a screenshot setting, security, languages, backup reset, print 7.1, and it comes with a screen protection also. APK Market, Clean Master downloads, Google Maps, NeuTab. I don't know what this shows. Maybe just a brief demo. Hopefully it. Oh, okay. Yep. Not right now. I don't need to see that video. But really cool. Web is working. Come on. There we go. Keyboard come up. I got one of those wireless keyboards. The mini ones I'll use. Come on. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, you can personalize it. Alright, get back out of there. Type in. Pretty fast though. Once it starts warming up. Here we go. Google. Lions, not a good game for them. Oh no. So yeah, the Eagles right now down. So this is really good. I'm just gonna have to tweak it a little bit once I mess around with it pretty much later tonight. We got the scores already updated up here. See, Lions lost. Pistons, they lost. Alright, that's cool. So definitely check them out. Get this NeuTab at a low cost. Great for any age. A lot of cool features. I'm just going to download some more apps to it. And then that's about it. So like I said, lightweight, great runtime. I've got a lot of all this good stuff. And that's about it, YouTubers. You guys be safe. Have a great night. See you guys soon. And check these guys out. NeuTab tablets. All right.